Hi guys, welcome to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to make YouTube Shorts. It is very simple, so let's go ahead and get started. So in order to make them, all you have to do is go to the YouTube app, click on the plus icon at the very bottom of the screen, and either select create a short or upload a video. So I'm going to upload a video. As long as it's underneath 1 minute, it would be considered a short. So I'll click this one right here. You just want to click next. From here, you can customize it. You can either add sound, voiceovers, text, timeline, filters, wherever you want. But you just have to follow this process until you can finally publish it. If you just want to make a short, if you don't have a video, all you're going to do is click the plus icon, click create a short. From here, you can change it from 15 to 60 seconds in the top right. You can customize it on the right side of the screen. You can add filters, whatever you would like. You can also add sound to it. But all you want to do is just record your short, and then just keep clicking next, and you finally be able to publish your video. So this is how you would add shorts to your YouTube channel. So if this video does help, if it did, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs, and I will see you in the next video.